So, I'm being chased by a whore. Oh, what is this? This is where I die, apparently. Please tell me this ain't happening. What the oh, I see. Technically, and I mean technically, my hand, in theory, should be crushed. But I'm not gonna complain. What the shit, game? I was on that. Haha. I did do that on purpose, just so you know. Woohoo! Oh yeah, double jump. Oh yeah. That niggledy-piggledy fact. Slide to the left and the right and the left. Woo. What? Okay, I just kicked my camera. Okay, this is bull. Why is it bull? Because it's glitched. There you go, you prick. I tried double jumping, didn't work. Didn't work, didn't work. Oh, you fucking cunt. I don't like this level. It's glitchy. Right, let's go on the trainer, because last time it didn't work, this time it surely must. So a checkpoint soon, with any luck. Let's go across the ruler. You said to drop from the ledge! I thought I was underneath it, I wasn't paying attention, I died. That's very misleading. Okay, let's try it again. This time, no screw-ups. Understood, game. There it is, game. Yay! Is it the checkpoint? Probably not.
Mr. Cowboy, jump!
What? Mr. What? Yes! Progress! Loving it. Ah, very clever.
Just doing my job.
Shit.
Welcome back at train.
Die.
Now, help us here.
Oh, shit. Wait a minute. I mean, this isn't the way to go. Balls.
Welcome back at train.
I'm gonna die, aren't
Now,
I?
help us here.
Whoa, that's quite long. There you go.
Run, little cowboy man. The Java is rising.
I bet it ain't. Not quick enough, anyway. I don't trust this. Up we go, up we go, up we go.
Coffee.
For a kid's game, this is hard.
Cream, sugar, or drowning?
Drowning, please. I like the sound of that. Sounds good. Mario.
She has one caffeinated imagination.
Oh, here you go. No, wait, what? Ah, lovely. Wait, what? What? We're going into space now?
You'll never make it across my sea of caffeine.
Bet I will.
I got magic. You can't see.
Hello, magic. Bye. Come on, quickly. Appreciate it like now.
Espresso Express coming.
Ah! Didn't see that at all until it was too late. Hello. How's it going? Shit. Oh.
You may have defeated my coffee, but you'll never survive outer space. We made it.
You're wrong. I'm with Buzz Lightyear of Star Command-D. Oh, please tell me this ain't happening.
Cowboy! Look, a spaceship! We should use it.
Oh shit, dude. This is gonna be annoying, I can tell. This is so Ratchet and Clank. Duck. It is, it's Ratchet and Clank. It's cool though. Whoa. Oh good. So where do I go? This way? Nope, can't go that way. Which way then?
Power up this rocket ship. A battery.
Batteries are good. Batteries rule. Yay, butterfly.
On the battery.
Up we go. Oh wait, there's something around here. I bet there's something around here. If there ain't something around here, this game is gay. I can guarantee there is something. I told you. I knew there would be. It was too obvious. Okay, let's go. It's gonna be either really fun or really difficult. Let's go this way, shall we? It's gonna lead me to die, isn't it? Nope, not that I'm aware of. That one did nothing for me. Oh. Charming. That was effectively worthless. Let's go on something else then. Let's go on the next one, the green one. Let's try green. Let's go to Dutch now.
To survive the whirly twirl of outer space.
What? Ah, yay. Now this is how it's done. Ah, maybe not. I'm so gonna regret that. Oh, excellent. I got a blue door. Oh no. Bing. Yeah. Oh, shit. Ugh. When? Let's go. Whoa. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. That's fun. Where am I? Oh, balls. The battery! To infinity and beyond? Yeah! Oh shit. Oh, okay.
Another battery.
You just say, oh god, another battery. Oh god, another battery. Oh, that was close. Don't know where I'm going here. Oh, yes I do. Oh Jesus, that's what it's for! Don't know where this is going. I assume the same place. I'm probably wrong. Don't really care, to be honest. I assume this place, therefore yeah, I'm right. I'm right, it does go to the same place. Excellent. And that means I have 4 batteries. The other 2 paths where I can possibly go with the paths I need to go to next. Jumping, 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 jumping. Yellow time. You'd think that the love heart would be on the pink one, but oh well. Bing. Rainbow! This is some kind of acid trip. 5 cents, oh my god.
I've got magic. You can't defeat me.
Bet I can. Which way am I going? Oh, this way. Whoa! Well, that wasn't fun. Battery. Whee! Oh, that was bad. Oh, that was painful. It's gonna be fairly annoying. Right, Mario Galaxy 2. Jesus, 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 Jesus. And which way do I go? This way, I'm assuming? Let's go then. Whee! Okay. Whoa. Well, that was bad. Whoa! This ain't bad, it's just dangerous. Oh, it's dangerous too. Love has a big pig down. Yay! You're dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Boing. Nothing's coming for me, so I can jump, jump, and jump. Boing. That was it. One more. Let's go.